Freightliner Columbia for your business? Well, here at Porter Truck Sales we have 04, 05, and 06 Freightliner Columbias with Detroit engines, air ride suspension. It's got a 70-inch mid-roof XT sleeper. It's got Jake brakes, aluminum wheels. These are a very, very nice group of trucks. If you need one or you need 10, we've got several available for you to look at. We have 2 locations, one in Houston and one in Dallas. You can check out our complete inventory online at portertrk.com for complete specs and several photos of these trucks. Give us a call. We'd like to help you.